Welcome back. Now a look at the other political events in the state.
SDM Dashrath Redkar topped an election survey in Fatoda. The survey was being conducted under the banner of Voters Mood organization.
आम्ही त्यांच्याकडे उलोवन त्यांच्या कितें तरी डॉक्युमेंट मागले तेंच्यांनी आमकां कांय डॉक्युमेंट दिले गेले ना पण हांवें तांकां आतां लेटर धाडलां की तुमी तो जो कितें वोटर्स मूड असेसमेंट करता तो तुमी बंद करा आनी तुमी चीफ इलेक्टरल ऑफिसरा कडल्यान परमिशन घेया.
Independent candidate from Naveli constituency, Avartino Furtado, released his election manifesto on Monday.
First is career guidance. That is to give guidance about different educational institutes, courses available. Then sports center to encourage the youth to participate in different sports games in competitive level.
Sarpanch and 4 Panch members of Malkarne Panchayat in Sangay have expressed their support to NCP candidate from Sangay Yuri Alemao. The Panch member expressed their support to Yuri Alemao due to denial of ticket to Vasudev Gaonkar by BJP.
Mingelin Dicosta, police water, Omaka Dista, एक BJPचो एजंट आणि हो एजंट जेन्ना इलेक्शनाक आज बसला हे म्हाका दिसता एक आनी बरें पॉझिटिव्ह म्हाका जातलें कित्याक दुबावच ना ह्या मनशान 2-3 फावटी ह्या सांग्याच्या म्हाका एक कावन्सिलराच्या इलेक्शनाक तो 2 फावटी 3 फावटी पेडे जालो.
AICC General Secretary P. Sudhakar Reddy campaigned for Congress candidate from Murgaon, Sankalp Amonkar, on Tuesday. Reddy alleged that BJP and MGP alliance have given false assurances in their manifesto. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
And now news from sports. Fomento's 32nd National Team Chess Championship will begin at Miramar on Monday. President of the Goa Chess Association Ashish Keni told press persons that international rating points will be up for grabs at these nationals. Good performance here will help Goan and Indian chess players alike to climb the FIDE ratings. 15 grandmasters are expected to take part in this tournament, with over 30 teams confirming their participation. The championship has been organized by the Goa Chess Association and Club Tennis de Gaspar Dias and sponsored by Fomento Group.
President of the Goa Chess Association Ashish Keni addressed press persons on Tuesday at a press conference and gave away the details of the championship.
The tournament will be held at Club Tennis de Gaspar Dias and the schedule is given. The arrival is on 27th of February and the technical meeting will be at 12 o'clock. After that the inauguration will be at 3 p.m. on the 27th and the first round will commence at 4 p.m. Our players, the younger players, get a chance to play in these nationals in Goa itself. Secondly, this tournament is a special type of national in the sense that this is a norm tournament. That is, the players, as you may be aware, are getting international rating depending on their performance in rating tournaments. All nationals are themselves rating tournaments also. So once they play with other players, depending on the performance, they will get a rating which will improve or decrease depending on the tournaments they play and the number of players they play, win and lose.
Representing the Fomento Group, Prabhakar Timble said Fomentos will sponsor more such championships in the future if they receive right proposals.
So right now we don't have anything on the cards, but if proposals come, then we would take them up. As far as the sports is concerned, right now our main focus is on education, health, and skill development. But this offer has come, and then we took it up. We are also supporting in table tennis to some extent, but I don't want to elaborate on that. But we have not gone much into sports field. Plus, if we receive good proposals, we'll take them up.
Secretary of the GCA Arvind Mamal elaborated on the rules of the championship.
The rounds are 9 rounds are played. Actually, in this team championship, only after 7 rounds also you can get a norm. Usually it is 9 round norm, but this particular team championship, the player can get norm after 7 rounds.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Anil Sanadi from Panji.
VM Salgaonkar College of Law ended a 17-year-long wait as they beat DM's College by 3 wickets in the Intercollegiate Cricket Championship. The finals were an exciting match even though DM's batting first scored only 122 runs. VM Salgaonkar College had a few hiccups before they won the match by 3 wickets. Kyle Tiklo received the Best Player of the Championship trophy, whereas Praveen Gavas received the Man of the Match trophy.
DM's College, on winning the toss, elected to bat and scored 122 runs in 20 overs. Ashutosh Natkar top scored with 28 runs while Amey Naik and Sachin Parsekar scored 15 each. Onkar Gaonkar took 2 wickets for 20 and Rajashekar Harikant claimed 2 wickets for 22. VM Salgaonkar College had a blistering start in reply, thanks to a quick-fire 24 runs by Kyle Tiklo. But after losing a few quick wickets, Salgaonkar had to be cautious. Praveen Gavas scored brilliant 36 with 2 huge sixes in just 26 balls and took his team over the line in the 17th over with 3 wickets in hand. Skipper Vittalraj Salgaonkar scored 20 and Rajshekar Harikant scored 14 runs and contributed in the team's victory. Ajayank Kuttarka took 3 wickets, giving away 13 runs, while Vinayak, Danesh and Shubham took 1 wicket each for the Mapsa-based college. Here are a few highlights.
अनिल लड़का कौन सा है?
Principal of DM's College, Dr. D.B. Arolkar was the chief guest for the finals and awarded trophies and medal to the winners, along with Goa University's sports director Milton Fernandes and Datta Bedkar.
This tournament after a long time. It has been, I think, around 17 years or more since our college was waiting for this triumph.
Total of 236 and 4 wickets and 5 matches.
Strong performances. Have you got approached by any GPL clubs, or would you consider cricket into the A division?
Obviously I would, but right now no offers, so let's see what comes my way.
A sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Anil Sanadi from Goa University.
Log on to www.prudentmedia.in if you have missed our bulletin. You can also follow us on Twitter by following us @PrudentGoa to get the latest news as and when it happens. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media.